Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about one of Indonesia's cultural heritage, namely the Wayang Kulit. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Bintang. I'm from 10th Science students. Wayang Kulit, the Kulit storytelling tradition. Wayang is a traditional Indonesian performing art that originated and developed rapidly on the islands of Java and Bali. Wayang comes from the word Maya, which means referring to a spiritual spirit, deity, or God Almighty. It is also true that the meaning of Wayang is a Javanese term meaning shadow. This is because the audience can also see the puppet from behind with color or just a picture. Wayang Kulit is performed by adalah, who is also the narrator of the conversation of the puppet characters, accompanied by gamelan music performed by a group of nayaga and songs performed by singers. The paweder demonstrates the shadow puppet behind the screen, which is a screen made of white cloth, while behind it an electric lamp or oil lamp is lit so that the audience on the other side of the screen can see the shadow of the puppet falling into the screen. In general, Wayang takes stories from the Mahabharata and Ramayana texts, but is not limited to the standard. Dalang can also perform plays or compositions. The Wayang culture seems to continue to develop over time. Then, it was developed to be used as a social communication media that can be useful for the development of the supporting community. The world of Wayang shows a change in its function, from being a medium for ancestor worship, moral and ethical education, philosophical understanding, and entertainment. Each part of the puppet show has a strong symbol and philosophical meaning. Wayang Kulit performed are always present at folk events and important events such as birth, weddings, or other events and last all night long. Wayang Kulit has been recognized by UNESCO on November 7, 2003 as an amazing cultural work in the process of narrative stories and beautiful and precious heritage. Wayang Kulit, made from buffalo skin, is believed to be the forerunner of various types of the puppet that exist today. There are several types of shadow puppet in Indonesia, namely Wayang Beber, Wayang Purwa, Wayang Oleh, Wayang Kulit, and Wayang Putih. That's a little about Wayang Kulit, and hopefully it will add to your knowledge about Indonesian cultural heritage. And that's all from me. Om Santi 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 Om.